this issue is listening, and those people that is maybe you have problem of like which issue will be like, okay, now this is the solution to your problem. Don't do this, don't do that. This is the solution. You know solution. When you know something, the best thing is to go ahead and do it. It's just like a taboo. If you are eating your taboo without know your taboo, that may be affecting you little by little, like small, but it won't affect you more when you know it and you eat it. That would be like double, like more. I use that for example. Like issue is if they give you a message and then it's good to listen and do proper sacrifice that your priest tell you to do. It's good to do it. But if you don't do it well, now I know what is the problem. What is my problem? So maybe I will stop doing this. But the elbow is most important thing to appease these gods, so that they can go deliver your message to Olodumare also. So issue is listening to everything. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Give sometimes to come back for the sacrifice. You see, it's like two things. Like I said, if you don't have money for the ebo, don't come for the divination. Unless your priest, you are so close to your priest. Sometimes priests help their clients, even if they don't have money. But it's good when things change for the client to come back and appreciate the priest.
Yeah, and fulfill with the promise.
Fulfill the promise. Yes. But some people, they don't do that. They don't do that. That's why some priests now, okay, if you don't have money, okay, whenever you're ready to do it, it's okay. That is not okay. So some people will go do reading today, and then a month, 3 months, 4 months, no, but that is not good.
Okay.
Because things change. You don't know what may happen after. Let me give you one example. This story I was told from Erimi of Osogbo when he visited here last time. He said he has a friend by then, his older Awo by then. So he do the reading, his reading, and he was told to feed Ifa with a food, inya and egusi before he leave the house. So the party is going because of Iku death. This Awo, you see, pounded yam and egusi.
Soap.
And this soup. Egusi soup. And this Awo have everything down. And give this to his wife. Tell my wife, I'm going out now. I want you to feed this Ifa for me with this. He said, Iku. The wife said, okay. The wife forgot to do that, and he left to the party. When he get to the party, immediately when he get to the party, 2 minutes after, he just fall down and die. They call his wife and say, oh, your husband is dying now. That is when the wife remember that he's supposed to feed Ifa for him. People will think, oh, they should trick him. No. They didn't trick him. This is what he's supposed to do before he leave his house. So, it's good. Babalawo. Some people may not have money. to complete their ebo, but it depends on the character they show before to their awo.
Bene.
Awo will call them back and okay, don't worry. Awo may even I will use their own money to do the ebo for the client. Time with that number. But they get tired when they see they don't come back and things change. Like one odu meji adanko adaroko adanko adarodo adanko adanbeni furu jenjen ni jenjen furu bí afọ ẹlẹ́kọ̀ọ́ dèrè èyí tí ó lèrè lọ́jọ́ alẹ́ ẹ̀bùn wọn ni wọ́n máa ń ṣe. You see, ẹlẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ìdèrè, she is a pap seller in Ìdèrè town. Her life going worse. She don't have nothing. Her pap didn't sell anymore, and she went to the awu. When she went to the awu, Baba, please help me out. My life is gone down. I don't have nothing. I don't have penny again. Ifa do the reading for her. Help her with his money. Do everything for her. And she make a promise. Don't worry. When when my life change, I will come back and pay you even more than what you did for me. I will say, okay. So when I would do everything for her, her life started changing, everything going, selling. So how will we go? Those days, when somebody come to the hour to do something, how will we go and check if the sacrifice and everything change to better for their client, to see if nothing changed, so that they will know what next to do. But every time, whenever Babala will go to Elekodere to ask, how is everything now? I hope everything is good. Elekodere will say, oh no, oh my God, our life is getting worse. Nothing changed. Babala will go back home. Go to Istifa again. What is going on? Pray for Elekodere. Do stuff for her. Months pass, Babalawo will go to Elekodere. How is everything now? Oh my God. My life is getting more worse than this. Oh, I don't know what to do anymore. So, I will keep doing this. So, not knowing that every time I will go to Elekodere is using her mouth to cause herself by saying, oh, my life is getting worse, because she don't want to fulfill the promise that she made with her awu. So our life gets worse again, everything turned upside down. So she run back to the awu, crying, then confess for the awu that, please forgive me. You see, every time that I come there, that you come there, my life is changed. I'm lying you. I don't want to fulfill my promise. That's the reason why I'm lying. Please forgive me. I will not say, okay. I would do the reading again. The same Odu came and he made the ebo for her and the life changed. But before I would say, yeah, I wonder, every time I come there, you will put on expensive jewelry, expensive clothes, expensive hair tie, expensive shoe, and you said your life is changed. I know you before. You came, you will be running to my house with one clothes. But I know that your life changed. But I don't want to, I don't want to tell you, so that you won't think that because of what I did, or because of the promise, and maybe I'm begging. So I will forgive her and do the reading again, help her again. But this time she come back and show appreciation to to the Awo. This fast of Odu, this Odu, talk about the Awo and the client. So anybody that make the promise, even not among Awo, a human being generally, when you make the promise, try to fulfill your promise. Because a promise is like a debt. If you don't fulfill that, you still owe the debt that you must pay.